What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's go ahead and change the view outside the window. Better. Y'all, the moment Halloween is over, I am in full holiday mode and start looking for winter fashion. And I found these on Amazon. If you are feeling the spirit of giving, whether that's for the doll collector in your life or your personal doll collection, then fashion packs might be something to consider. Many of the Amazon fashion packs that we're looking at today are around $10. This one was $9.99. It had a 2-day delivery, and it looks like all of the outfits are individually packaged. We got 3 outfits that look pretty similar to ones we've seen before, like this one, where the sweater reaches the doll's hips. But this new sweater is a crop top. It's a nice fit at the neck, it has cuffs, it closes with Velcro in the back, and the bottom of the sweater is sewn. The top of the Velcro is stitched with 2 lines, however the bottom only has 1. It is a thin Velcro, but I wish there were 2 lines here. This outfit comes with printed jeans, and it looks like the printing is off a little. Do you see that? And a matching beanie. If we're paying $9.99 and we got 3 looks, that comes out to be $3.33 for each one. And it can probably fit in an envelope with a holiday card. Just saying. In addition to the pink sweater and blue jeans, there's a tan sweater with a matching hat and black jeans, and a lavender top with a matching hat and black denim jeans. Now, these pants are not printed. They're a denim-like fabric with brown stitching. However, on my classic Barbie, they do stop a little above the ankle, and they kinda smell. They Velcro in the back, and the Velcro is held in place with a single stitch. When sitting, they're a little low in the back. I think all they need is a quick wash, and they'll be good to go. But keep in mind, this is my experience, and yours could be different. Look at that. There's glue coming out the side of the label. The top can fit an Illy Forever doll, however, I couldn't get the pants to close in the back. On a Naturalista, the top fits fine, and I was able to connect the Velcro in the back. But if she sits down, it's going to open. I have similar results with a tall Barbie. My Integrity Toy doll can fit the top, but not the printed pants. However, the denim pants do fit. Wow, Octavia, that sweater looks great on you. On Monster High G3 Abby, I think the sweater is a little large. Mainly the arms, they are a little long, but you can probably still get away with it because who doesn't love an oversized sweater? The crop sweater looks great on a curvy Barbie. And here is a Rainbow High doll wearing the sweater and the printed jeans. The sweater is a decent fit. It hits right at the waist. The arms are a little long and I think the neck is a little wide, but overall, it works. The Velcro is barely touching in the back, but it's holding. For the most part, I like these crop sweaters and I like the price point. I do want the Velcro to be a little more secure in the back, so I'll probably go in and fix that later. And the Velcro does snag this fabric, so keep that in mind. They come in more colors. This set is also $9.99. Again, they are individually wrapped. We have a brown crop sweater with black skinny jeans. The jeans are a little snug around the thigh, but I was able to get them on. A cream sweater with an off-white hat and off-white trim, paired with light denim bootcut pants, and a gray sweater and beanie with blue jeans that are cuffed at the bottom. Again, the jeans are a little snug on the thigh of a classic Barbie. But for $3.33 an outfit, it's not bad. But I am gonna wash these jeans because I'm a little concerned about staining. If you're just interested in the sweaters, I found this sweater set on Amazon for $8.99. where we get 6 sweater dresses, which comes out to be about $1.50 each. Yes, we have seen this design before. It's using the same fabric as the crop sweaters and has a little love brooch glued to the side. I gotta see if this can fit in an envelope. All right, here's a little card. We're gonna close it up inside. then place it in an envelope. So far, so good. It's a tiny bit bulky. It might cost a little extra in postage, but I think it's doable. And the crop sweaters are even better. The sweater dress comes in gray, brown, tan, cream, lavender, and pink. Here is another 6-piece set for $8.99. They are ribbed long sleeve shirts where we're getting them for $1.50 each. Burgundy has been a trending color this fall, so I was very happy to find this piece. However, the neckline is kind of interesting. It does V in the back, so let's try it on a doll and see how it looks. Oh, and the gray one is a different fabric than the other shirts. This one is a little thicker. Here is the burgundy shirt on a classic Barbie, and the neckline from the front looks totally fine. Here's the back. This set doesn't come with pants, so I paired it with some light denim jeans from another fashion pack. And I think it's a cute top, perfect for the fall and the winter. There are a few random strings, but we can easily fix that. This top comes in gray, white, cream, black, blue, and as seen earlier, burgundy. And we can place them in a card and envelope. I picked up these coats on Amazon for $9.99, which is $1.67 per item. Here is the black and white houndstooth coat. It is a little wrinkled. We might need to iron that right out of the bag. This coat is about 8 inches long. When compared to the black and white coat from Five Below, the Amazon coat is made of a thinner fabric, and the arms appear to be slightly longer. I was able to get the coat over the burgundy long sleeve shirt. Now you can see that the arms are a little short and the sleeves are coming out underneath, but it's not too bad. The coat has lapels and stops about mid-shin on our doll. I'm liking this look, but my doll is wearing 3 different pieces from 3 different fashion packs. I grabbed this Amazon dress that we showed a few videos back to pair with the coat. It was definitely a lot easier to get the coat on without sleeves, and I think this is a great combination. The coat is longer than the dress. I totally need to iron this. But now you can see where the sleeves stop on a tall Barbie. Let's try it on a curvy Barbie. This pink and gray coat matches this dress perfectly. The coat fits, but again, it's a little short on the arms. But totally a great look for the season. Here's an orange and green jacket. Very autumn, very fall. Let's try it out with a white shirt and jeans. Here's the coat with a white collar shirt from Barbie. This shirt is a little short, so I'm using her hand to hold the coat closed. But I like the look. We can add a mini brand's purse, and she looks ready to do some holiday shopping. In this set, we also get a gray and off-white jacket with a fur collar. It's a faux fur collar, adding a little variety to our wardrobe. There's a pink and white coat with a fur collar. The arms are pretty short on an Integrity Toys doll, but overall, not too bad. However, they are a good length on a Rainbow High doll, but I do think the coat is a little large, but still doable. Our last coat is red and white with a fur collar, and it's totally making me think candy canes and holidays. This set was $9.99 for more sweater dresses, matching beanies, tall socks, and plastic shoes. After taking them out of the packaging, I am noticing a lot of excess glue. But can I remove this? Yeah, I think it's just hot glue. And, alright, that works. Well, maybe not. There is some residue that I just can't seem to remove. But we'll just find a way to cover that up. We get a red sweater dress with a matching beanie, one in black and green. However, do take care. I'm noticing a little red color transfer on the shoes, which is unfortunate because this could be so great for some of the doll parties during the holidays. But I'm gonna wash it and see what happens. Speaking of holidays, I bought this corgu dress back in March for $14.99. It arrived in a plastic bag. I thought we could use it as a holiday dress and turn my mini into a holiday Barbie. This is a one-shoulder dress. The top has a shiny folded fabric. It velcros in the back. The velcro seems very secure and thin. The bottom of the dress has layers of netting or tulle, giving us a festive look for the season. Out of everything we looked at today, I really liked the long sleeve shirts. They're a basic that we can use to create a lot of different looks. And I love the burgundy. And the coats. With this fabric, we do need to be careful about pulling, but I think when layered with some of the other items, we get some great looks. Thank you for joining us for another Amazon fashion haul. If you see anything you would like for us to check out, let us know in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.